On est parti react au reveal. Mais c'est le son. Voilà.
Let's go, Tyrion. We're settling this.
1 heure avant le reveal. Bon. Fais gaffe à pas se faire spoil. C'est le dernier perso. Chalette. Bon. Donc là, il reveal le nouveau perso. Goku 3. Goku Boo. C'est un ultra du coup, ok.
1 minute, right? I know I can get you that 1 minute. I'll bet my last ounce of pride. Stay alive, Vegeta. Don't worry about me. Let's
Non, c'est un tag.
do it, Vegeta.
C'est un tag.
Faster! And you can take this too. Give me your energy.
Tu vois Goku dans le... Non, c'est trop classe. Après, il y a Satan qui intervient.
Kakarot. There we go. Do it.
Ouah, c'est trop classe.
Feel it. Thanks again, Dragon Ball. Till then, boo.
Et il passe en SSJ. Ouah, c'est exceptionnellement trop classe.
You took your sweet
Ouah, c'est trop beau. Le perso, il est incroyable.
How was that? The final new character for Legends 8th anniversary is the first Ultra Tag character.
Ouais, un double train, ouais.
Saiyan 3 Goku and Super Saiyan 2
Un tag.
Vegeta. Hello again everyone, I'm Tani, Dragon Ball Legends producer. Thanks for tuning in. This time, we kicked things off with a look back at the characters that have been released since the 7th anniversary, building up to the reveal of the final 8th anniversary character. A Spirit Bomb related event started in-game yesterday, but we don't think many of you will have guessed that there would be a tag character in Ultra Rarity. Ultra Super Saiyan 3 Goku and Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta is based on the iconic scene of Goku and Vegeta battling against Majin Buu.
Ouais.
And as you saw from the Ink Brush animation, as well as Hercule appearing too. This character has a ton of stunning effects and in-game animation to offer. You'll be able to see the final scene for yesterday's Spirit Bomb creating event.
L'événement d'ailleurs était bien.
Tomorrow, so be sure to check it out. Now, we'll be going over the abilities shortly, but first, we have a few announcements.
This was also announced on our official social media, but if this video and the Japanese simulcast get a total of 100,000 views, everyone will get 1,000
1000 CC.
crystals as a gift. This is the perfect chance
C'est
to spread
cool.
the word on social
cool,
media
c'est cool.
about the reveal of Ultra Super Saiyan 3 Goku and Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta. Also, a gift campaign is starting now on our official X account. There is a wall scroll up for grabs featuring the in-game illustration of the new character, Ultra Super Saiyan 3 Goku and Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta. To enter, just follow our official X account and then post your thoughts about the 8th anniversary using the hashtag shown here. If you do, you could be one of 4 users randomly selected to win this gift. We hope to see lots of posts from you all. As usual, we'll be giving out a promo code for Chrono Crystals at the end of the show, so don't miss it.
Pour la boutique.
Let's get to it. It's time to dive into the abilities of Ultra, Super Saiyan 3 Goku and Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta. First, take a look at this video.
Donc l'anime elle est trop belle. L'anime en creux de Shin comme ça là.
Stay alive, Vegeta. Don't worry about me. Well, let's go. Let's do it, Vegeta.
Et l'artwork il est fou. L'artwork il est fou.
Wanna see the Super Saiyan 3 of yours? I got this. I'll kick things off, Vegeta.
Une cover. Blast du coup.
You're not getting away. About
Tu l'as verte.
this.
Ça doit être l'aspect, ou ça c'est l'aspect du coup.
Come at me. Out of my way. No more games. And you can take this too.
Ça c'est l'aspect de Vegeta.
Kakarot, get the Spirit Bomb ready.
Donc là c'est le live sur Nekidama. Bah tu le vois dans le fond, mais c'est trop beau.
Don't toy with me. Ha! Faster! Why the hell won't you cooperate?
Satan qui dit aux autres de lever les bras.
Kakarot. There we go.
Satan qui porte Vegeta, mais JPP hein.
Damn it! I feel it. Thanks again, Dragon Ball. Till then, boo.
Ouais, non, incroyable.
It's finally over.
L'écran de victoire il est trop beau.
First, the element for both sides of
Il synergise avec
Super Saiyan Goku and Super Saiyan 2
Bordek,
Vegeta
Végéto
will be
et
elemented.
Broly.
The ability too will
Bon, on a
both
Broly, donc c'est
balance
cool, mais
or episode Majin
j'ai pas
Buu
Végéto et j'ai pas
Saga
Bordek.
or Tag Saiyan. Diving straight into Goku and Vegeta's abilities, we'll start with what everyone is surely the most curious about, the Spirit Bomb. Goku and Vegeta has both a unique gauge and an active gauge, and the unique gauge charges with every strike, blast, or special arts used. Tag switching when it's full puts you into the first stage of Super Spirit Bomb preparation mode. When you're in this stage, the active gauge appears and will gradually start to fill up. Tap the gauge when it's fully charged, and you'll enter the second stage of Super Spirit Bomb preparation mode. In this stage, the gauge will slowly begin to deplete, and when it hits zero, the Super Spirit Bomb will finally activate.
Mhm.
After firing the Super Spirit Bomb, you won't be able to tag switch to Vegeta, so take full advantage of Goku's incredible offense to finish the fight. Of course, this attack takes inspiration from the original series, so it's devastatingly powerful. When the attack lands, it will deal transcendent damage a Legends first. Then, it will also deal half that damage to the enemies on standby.
Ça fait des dégâts à toute à toute la team en face.
KO prevention nullification.
L'animation d'Antika, vous pouvez mettre KO aux adversaires sans vous soucier. Ou immortalité. C'est trop fort.
Goku and Vegeta, we recommend readying the Spirit Bomb as early as you can, so you can KO one enemy to start. What's more, this character has various abilities to make charging the Spirit Bomb easier. Let's go over them one by one. First of all, the unique gauge will charge by 50% if you're hit by an art attack when your health is at 50% or below. With
Wesh.
this effect, you should have no problem entering the first stage of Super Spirit Bomb preparation mode. Goku and Vegeta's biggest advantage is the ability to fire the Spirit Bomb quickly, so we recommend trying to activate this effect by getting below 50% health in the early stages of battle. Once you're in the preparation stage, the unique gauge will be a sustained damage type that fills up every time you receive an art attack. When it's full, powerful disruptive effects will activate to destroy the enemy's hand and reduce their
Bah,
vanishing
que déjà, je joue TP.
This will stop your opponent's combo and create an opening for you to counterattack.
Mais wax.
So, just like Vegeta in the original series, you can buy time until you enter the second stage of Super Spirit Bomb preparation mode, and then finally until the Spirit Bomb itself activates. Goku and Vegeta also has other powerful abilities besides the Super Spirit Bomb. Let's start with the special arts. When playing as either character, special arts will restore your vanishing gauge on activation.
Le général
while
jeu
adding
TP.
a hit with one as Goku will increase all enemy substitution counts on Switch. And landing a
What?
hit with one as Vegeta will reduce your own
Putain,
substitution
quand t'es
counts.
Goku, si tu touches, tu réduis, tu augmentes le temps de temps des adversaires de 3 de 15 secondes. Et si tu touches sur Vegeta, tu réduis ton d'attente dans le 2.
Switch by 2. This means you can hinder the enemy from switching by increasing their subcounts on Switch, while effortlessly dodging their attacks, or use your reduced subcounts on Switch to keep swapping characters and get an edge in battle.
Et ça,
Up next, let's talk about Goku and Art
on va skipper un
to
peu.
launch the super use again. The victory animation with Goku Plus, this was shown in the trailer earlier, but the victory animation with Goku and Vegeta both giving a thumbs up is a special
Oui.
victory animation that will play when you win the battle with the new Super Spirit Bomb mechanic.
Et ça s'active que si tu gagnes avec Ligdama.
And that's everything we
Cet
have
écran de
for
fin.
you on Ultra Super Saiyan 3 Goku and Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta. Now, let's talk about the summon. This summon will also be in the special
Donc tiens, j'ai quand même un format spécial Ultimate Anniversaire.
format. The featured character
Les
is
musiques dans
Ultra
l'ancien
Super Saiyan 3
Ultimate
Goku and
Anniversaire.
Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta, and the featured Z power is guaranteed after the 450
Dans
strong
50e
reset
tirage
of
pour
600
l'avoir.
like for regular Ultra Rising summons.
Faut que ce soit
As a
garanti.
reminder, the summon format is different for the 8th anniversary summons. When you acquire the featured character from a summon, your pull progress will reset,
Oui,
but
sur
you
la
will still
salise.
be able to acquire another
Oui.
guaranteed Z power drop after a certain number of pulls. This means you can acquire a second guaranteed copy after 450 pulls. So make sure you take this chance to check out this summon. Additionally, by playing summons for the new characters released during the 8th anniversary period, you can get Chrono Crystals back with Celebrate 8 years spent to receive Chrono
Oui, c'est vrai que tu peux avoir
Crystal campaign,
En dépassant les CC,
which is
t'as un
coming
event,
back
c'est
for
vrai.
Part 3. During the campaign, there will be missions that award summon honors for playing specified summons. And based on the number of summon honors you get, you can earn Chrono Crystals from the Chrono Crystal Give Back missions. The summons for characters released in parts 1 and 2 are still available, so don't forget to earn summon honors from all of them. Along with the new character, the ending theme of Dragon Ball Z.
Il y aura la
Boku no
musique,
Hero
l'enjeu,
will
c'est
be
coupé en 11.
coming to the game during the 8th anniversary period. This theme song will be implemented alongside the BGM that is currently playing now, which was specially created for this reveal. You can continue to enjoy the songs that are already available in-game as well, so turn your sound on to liven up this game during the heat of battle.
That's all we have for new character info today, but there's still plenty more to come. There's even a huge announcement near the end, so be sure to stay tuned. Up next, events. And to start things off, we have this.
We have a high difficulty map-based battle event in store for you. Legendary Raging Battle Z, Goku vs Majin Buu. In this event, you'll have the chance to relive iconic scenes from the series alongside guest characters and earn 300 Chrono Crystals each from both the normal and hard stages for
Okay.
a total of 600 Chrono Crystals. These stages will be challenging but rewarding, so make good use of the guest characters and give the battles a try.
Ok.
On to our next event. It's time for the Non-Stop Anniversary Raid 8. As
Le
with
dernier
the
raid, du
previous
coup?
raids, you
Ou
can
le
earn
dernier?
up to 700 Chrono Crystals, and by collecting raid honors, you can also get other fantastic rewards. Players who have managed to obtain every single raid honors for this event so far will earn an exclusive title, and
Il y a
even
raid que j'ai
those
pas
of
fait.
you who may have missed a few can still earn great rewards. So don't forget to try your hand at this final raid. And that's not all. Next week will be the start of an all-new event.
Ah,
Raids for 8 years, Finale Raid. This all-new style of raid will feature several bosses for you to battle. To start, there will be 2 bosses on the map,
What?
one with infinite health and one with finite health. And each day, bosses with finite health will swoop in one after another. Each individual boss may award fewer Chrono Crystals than in non-stop raids. But thanks to the many bosses that appear, you'll still be able to earn a ton of Chrono Crystals in total. So, work together to take down the bosses and claim your rewards. Moving on, Season 2 of the currently ongoing PvP rating match event, who's the 8th anniversary's strongest fighter, Anniversary Super Space Time Duel, is coming. On top of the usual Chrono Crystal rewards, players who manage to finish both Season 1 and 2 at Godry rank will be granted the special honorary title 8th Anniversary God. And as we previously announced, players who rank within the top 100 for both seasons will be awarded an additional honorary title and have their names listed in the in-game news as star players who brought the heat in PvP during the 8th anniversary. Fight your way to the top and become the 8th anniversary's strongest fighter for the unique chance to go down in Legends history. Plus, the campaign where you can earn Chrono Crystals based on your battle rank is still ongoing, so dive into PvP and aim for an even higher rank than last season.
Okay.
Let's move on. We previously revealed a new type of event, Panel Adventures, which is now coming back for its second season.
Okay.
In this adventure event, you'll need to collect points to unlock panels. You can get fantastic rewards of 3 different types: point rewards, panel rewards, and completion rewards. And just like last time, when you unlock all the panels, you'll complete the special adventure event exclusive illustration and get a background and sleeves based on that illustration as mission rewards. The previous illustration was of Super Saiyan Gods Charlotte and
Très
Jin.
belle illustration d'ailleurs.
Who knows what the new illustration will be?
Dragon
Unlock
Beta,
all the
j'imagine.
panels to find out. Coming up next is this. Starting next week from
15 juillet.
15th, the Anniversary Everyday campaign, where you can enjoy a different event every day of the week from Monday through Sunday, will be upgraded to the Super Everyday campaign. First off, on Monday, you'll now be able to get 2 tickets that you can use to exchange for Z-Power for Legend Limited characters of your choosing. Next, the event on Tuesday that currently lets you get multi-Z-Power for an
C'est bien, ça.
element of your choice will now drop Legend Limited multi-Z-Power for that element too. In other words, you can get tons of Z-Power on Monday and Tuesday, so you definitely won't want to miss out. Additionally, there will now be 3 exciting weekend boxes up for grabs from raiding matches on Saturdays and Sundays. You
Okay.
can even get Chrono Crystals and Summon tickets from these boxes, so make sure to play on the weekends too.
Ouais.
As you can see, the events for each day will be even more incredible. Check back every day and play them. On top of that, there are still all of the events that have been going since the start of the 8th anniversary period, like the Brulus
J'ai pas fini la deuxième mission skier, faudrait que je la fasse.
once every 2 days, special missions from which you can earn
Et j'ai pas tous les
4,000
j'ai pas tous les tickets LF.
100 times summon that you can play all at once for free. Plus, and celebrate 8 years, Ultimate Champion Bonus 1000 Season 7, you can obtain up to 1000 Chrono Crystals,
Mhm.
and tomorrow, we'll also be adding new events that we know you've all been looking forward to, like the new Anniversary Dramatic Battle stages. There are tons of rewards up for grabs, so be sure to check out these events before they end. Also, as we're approaching the end of the campaign period, don't forget to exchange your items for rewards before their respective deadlines. Now for some Zenkai Awakening info.
Ah, Sky Awakening. Un LF.
Sparking Majin Buu Good, Hercule Assist will be getting a Zenkai
C'est un
Awakening.
personnage.
Zenkai ability will target characters that
Je sais pas si je l'ai, lui.
Element Yellow and Episode Majin Buu Saga Z.
On vérifiera après.
Awakening will strengthen the character's support
Yo, Kurt, je l'avais pas vu, pardon. Ça va,
You
mec?
will be able to heal the ally on the battlefield when your opponent activates an ultimate or awakened
Oui, bon, on va
arts.
skip le kit. On s'en fout.
Ultimate character. There will be new unique equipment that can be
Si tu peux rester un peu, Kurt, on va invoquer après.
family or tag
Sur le nouveau
Vegeta
perso.
clan characters and a unique equipment.
Oui, bon, des nouveaux un item pour Shin, lui je l'ai. Et c'est un sparking à 1% qui est trop fort. Ils ont changé les tiers dans le PVP. Ouais, ça me demande Sagabou. Et Vegeta 4, pas de question, mais ils l'ont boosté. Bonanza.
We are sure you're curious about the details, but you'll have to wait for the next video where we'll share more info about the after party as well as a roadmap for party
Alors,
campaign. We plan to release
il y a un ultra qui va avoir son
equipment for a
équipement
certain
platine.
character. There's plenty of time until the next premiere, so please have fun making predictions until then.
We've covered a lot of 8th anniversary info so far, but next we have the latest news on our
Ah, vas-y, on s'en fout.
Is Super Saiyan Ghost Shallow
Ah, sont belles, mais on s'en fout.
Cards also in Shallow this Ultimate Gohan, who joined the game for the 6th anniversary pack for Dragon Ball Super Card Jiv. We will be announcing
Et ça,
card
c'est...
information
On s'en fout.
later. We will be holding the trailer sharing time. We've got a shot icon based on the character in turn. Get advice on party for us as a hunt. We hope
for our final announcement. Check this out.
Les Worlds. Ouais, les Worlds 2010-2027. Ok.
that's right. This year we'll be holding another World Championship to see who will emerge as the world's strongest. We can't wait to see what sorts of battles are in store. For this year's World Championship, the format for the preliminaries will be very different. Instead of graduate tests,
Bon, ça nous intéresse pas, nous.
only be used once during a single match. As for the extra stage to be held in the same, will move on to if 2 wins during the final. So May 26th, 2020 for the globe last year. This year. A player who claims the title of World's Strongest Fighter will win real-life Chrono Crystals.
Mais non.
Of course, there will also be in-game rewards given out. As participants, be sure to test via. We have some info about the web store. Not only does the web store offer Chrono Crystals and other items at a better value than in-app, but we have other tools. Grab all it is 632.
Ça, c'est le code pour la boutique.
We have for you today. For this 8th anniversary campaign, we have characters from Dragon Ball Super Broly for Part 1
Oui.
with Legend Broly Fury and Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan Gogeta, who arrived as a surprise Ultra character. In Part 2, we released Legend Super Saiyan Trunks Teen and Gohan and Legend Super Saiyan God Chariot, both of which are Legend's original characters. And now, with the debut of Super Saiyan 3 Goku and Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta as the first tag character in Ultra Rarity, we hope that everyone has had a blast with this unpredictable and unprecedented lineup. Even so, there's plenty more excitement as we head into the final stretch of the anniversary celebration. Be sure to enjoy everything this anniversary has to offer right to the very end. We also announced a World Championship for this year to begin. We can't wait to see everyone rise to the challenge. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Bye!
Ok. Ouais, bah... On va aller invoquer sur le nouveau perso. Tac. On va aller invoquer sur le nouveau perso. Manuel Windows. Voilà.
Dragon Ball Legends.
J'ai défait la mâche sur le deuxième compte. Mais je l'ai pas fait sur le mon tel. J'ai fait un duel invoque contre moi-même. Je sais pas comment je vais faire pour le short, mais c'est pas grave. Si on drop pas, pas faire de short, hein. Je pense que ça va être un cycle sur ce compte-là et 2 cycles sur ce compte-là. Sur le téléphone, du coup. 2 cycles là et un cycle sur le PC. Là, le PC. Et là, le téléphone. Du coup, là, le téléphone. Même dans la bonne musique, ce serait mieux. Oh, stylé! Faites ce qu'il vous dit. Oui, ça tombe. Yeah. Petite musique d'Hadès. Comme toujours, hein. Vraiment, la tour, il est magnifique, hein. Donc, pour short, ça va pas aller, Hades. Que les paroles. Ça, c'est bien ça. Y'a quoi sur le portail, tiens? Bon, un nouveau tag, ouais. Je sais pas ce qu'il vaut, lui. Lui non plus, je sais pas trop ce qu'il vaut. Bon, lui, il pue la merde. Trop vieux. Du coup, il y a le... Le bout... Ah, il y a Shin. Avec son système. Vegeta Number Wanda. Ok. Oui, c'est quoi, je l'ai, Shin? Je sais même pas si je l'ai. Il est bien rouge, hein. Ah, je l'ai sur ce compte-là. Sur le PC... Oh, je l'ai pas. Ou alors si je l'ai pas vu. Ah, si on l'a aussi. Ah, on l'a même étoile, tiens, sur le PC, sur... Ça, c'est cool, ça. Bon, on est parti invoquer. Allez, hop. On espère en choper du lourd. Glacé sur le téléphone. Ça, c'est bon, ça. Même ATP. What the fuck, Force multi. What the fuck. MDR. What the fuck. Ah, je vous laisse l'anime en entier, parce qu'elle est trop belle l'anime. Burst multi. Et un LF par derrière, Gotenks, que j'avais pas, du coup.
レッドリボン軍の力俺は惑星平和を守るためお前はここで行きますよ
Parking de côté. Double fake out. Force multi. Force multi ce bâtard là. Force multi. Bon, l'anime elle est trop belle. Maintenant on va invoquer que pour le PC hein. Allez, deuxième multi du coup. Ah, espace. Et qui me tombe sur le téléphone. Mais non. C'est quoi ce braquage? C'était quoi ce braquage? Deux fois. Bon, j'avance la multi sur le PC hein, parce que... Bon. C'est le braquage de l'année pour l'instant que je fais. Hein. Deux fois. Hey, Gotenks Kai. Deux fois. Insert même combien? Ah, bon, c'est tellement cool d'avoir un doublon dessus du coup. Bon bah... Parti prochaine multi hein. Glacier, Tao Pai Pai, Goku Zeji Blue. Et là sur le PC une anime de merde. J'ai peur, je stresse. LF. Double Gotenks, pourquoi pas, pour la collection c'est cool. Ok. Et la gratuite, du coup. Et dernière multi sur le PC parce que je pourrais pas en faire d'autres. Hein. Je peux faire qu'un cycle sur le PC. Ouais, il faut qu'on ait des animes de merde aussi sur le téléphone, c'est normal. Bon, sur le PC, j'aimerais bien en avoir aussi en fait. Kamehameha TP sur le PC. Et Goku qui bat Freezer sur le tel.
サイヤ人は戦闘種族だ。
目に物見せてやるだ。おための爆発。
このお荷物だ。
僕の番だぞ。
Parking sur le tel. Ah, c'est cool pour le coup. Si je l'ai pas ces étoiles, c'est cool. Vu qu'il y avait un son Zenkai. Et ce parking de merde que je me tape. MDR Dabra. Dabra. Là. Dabra là. Et du coup, il passe 7 étoiles, ça tambour. Donc pour le Zenkai, c'est cool. Maintenant, la question est, est-ce que je refais un cycle sur le tel? Du coup, là, on l'a pas eu, là. Que j'ai un truc à farm. Moi, je vais faire l'histoire. Je vais faire l'histoire. Bon, on verra ça plus tard. Est-ce qu'on continue le... Ouais, je refais un cycle. Allez. Ouais, j'ai bien fait de skip. La une troisième fois serait incroyable. Ouah. Et j'ai eu le tag étoile et je suis à 450 d'appétit, c'est pas incroyable, à chaque invocation il tombe, je suis cocu alors que je suis célibataire. MDR. Et ça fait 3 fois que je l'ai là, hein. C'est la troisième fois que je le drop. En 2 cycles. Mais c'est pas la bonne scène, c'est celle-là la bonne scène. Et merci, et merci pour ton message. Bon, les multi à chier après, mais ça faut pas le dire. Comment je l'ai 2 fois dans les multi? MDR. Un doublon, il passe 14. Bon, du coup, dernière multi, ça te la gratuite. Ouais, dernière multi. On croise les doigts pour passer 14, ça serait incroyable. Je crois qu'il passera pas 14. Allez, même pas Vegeta. Ah ouais. Non. Non, on skip la multi. Ouais. Il me reste 6 minutes, ah, c'est quand même tentant de faire une dernière multi. Hein. Allez. On peut refaire une multi. On peut refaire une multi. Allez, on y croit. Croisez les doigts, on fasse tout. Ouais, non, il passera pas 14 ans. Non, il passe pas 14, effectivement. Je l'ai quand même eu 2 fois dans la multi, je l'ai eu 4 fois au total. Hein. Je l'ai eu 4 fois. Hein. Là, il sert même combien là? Là, maintenant. Putain. On va les jouer, hein. On va les jouer, le personnage. On va lui build une team, on va le jouer, hein. Mais Shin, il a son équipement maintenant ou pas, d'ailleurs, Shin? Parce que si c'est son équipement maintenant, je le joue maintenant, le perso. Enfin, le Shin. Je joue avec. Bah, let's go. On va prendre ça pour taper Shin. Enfin, pour taper Gohan. Bah, du coup, je pensais le jouer comme ça, le perso. Donc, on va jouer comme ça. Combat en ligne. Et on va juste mettre fin à session Unidesk pour la relancer. Allez hop, on est parti pour une game de PvP. En normal, hein. On va pas jouer en proud. Hein. Ah, j'ai pas mis supporter. Bon, c'est pas grave. Mais lui, je joue comment? Ok. Ah, son bleu va nous faire chier par contre. Ouais, son bleu va nous faire chier. Mais ça commence bien, on se fait déjà attraper. Ah, ouais, ta force, le perso! Et il tape à l'infini aussi ou c'est comment? Je prends presque pas de dégâts du rosé. Ah, ça c'est chiant. Ouh, fait mal. Ah bah au revoir. Voilà, régène de fils de pute de PV Killer. Ouais, il passe en mode Genkidama. Ouais, c'est faire Genkidama les gens, c'est génial. Ah, mais merde, t'as passe là-dessus? Non, je pensais pas. Putain, j'ai plus de jauge de TP, mais ça c'est casse-couille. Si je le tue avant Genkidama, il se passe quoi? Ah, j'ai pas de jauge de TP. Mais là, je le tue avec une spé. Il switch pas. Ouais, forcément, il va switch. La verte qui passe, bah d'accord. On se prend Genkidama quand là? Ah, c'est lui qui le lance, j'imagine. Putain, le Goku dans le fond, c'est trop beau. Putain, vu qu'ils sont bleus, les persos Chine, je peux pas le sortir. On se fait Kagidema là. L'anime, elle est stylée par contre, hein. Vraiment. L'anime, elle est vraiment belle, hein. Bon, bah, reste plus que Chine. On va se faire péter la gueule. Voilà. J'avais dit après. Je vais essayer de le mettre dans une autre équipe. Du coup, si j'enlève lui, je le mets à la place. Il a que 2 cap Z. Je le mets en lead. Ouais, je le mets en lead. Moi aussi, je joue avec Broly du coup. Pour voir. Bah rosé parce que il est mono rouge presque en face. Bah il a un violet. Les animes du perso sont trop belles. Et les coucous dans le fond, c'est tellement une bonne idée. Mais arrête quand de taper en face. Vraie question pour le coup. Tu vois, Max, tu fais pas de dégâts, bro, il sert à rien. Je vais faire active skill. Ah, je vais faire active skill. Et après, on peut tanker l'active skill, hein. Peut-être. Même l'active skill de Gogeta, je trouve trop classe. De toute façon, globalement, les persos de l'anniversaire sont tous réussis, sont tous beaux. Ah, les dégâts de l'active skill, c'est débile. Hein. Ah, le Kegi Damax il déclenche. Ça, c'est stylé, pense. L'anime, elle est trop belle. Mais au revoir le Tagop. Et Broly a plus de vie. Lol. Il a un anti-cover ce bâtard, j'avais oublié. Strike. C'était SP. De toute façon, Rosa, ça survole KO si j'ai pas de bêtises. Oui, ça survole KO, oui. Ah, la nuit. Mais l'active, le Genkidama de Goku, ça peut se refaire? Si c'est le cas, c'est quand même très fort. Hein. Au revoir Broly, merci. Ça a l'air de pouvoir se refaire. À moins que... Ah non, je peux plus switch. Donc je peux pas le refaire, je pense. Ouais, je pense ça. On va Broly, t'es mort. Dommage. J'ai essayé de taper. Overdrive. Overdrive qui tue. Ouais, non, le perso est trop fort et trop stylé. C'est une dinguerie. C'est une dinguerie comment le perso est vraiment trop fort et trop stylé. Non, c'est plus que l'aventure à mettre et on a fait les... Ah oui, il faut aller mettre les machins et tout. Bon, je ferai ça plus tard. Non, là on a plus rien à faire, je crois. Enfin, pas à faire du PVP. Un peu la flemme. Un peu la flemme. Je crois que je vais quitter mon live là. Hein. Je crois que j'ai pas tarder à quitter mon live. Hein.